Hello, I'm Mariana King, and this is Where the Side Work Ends.
Today we're making a simple, perfectly seared ribeye steak, which, if your dad is anything like my dad, is the perfect dish to serve for Father's Day. It's simple, but that means it's important to get everything absolutely right. Let's get started. The recipe starts with a boneless ribeye steak, about 8 ounces. You want to season the steak with salt and pepper and a pinch of chili powder on both sides. Allow to rest for 20 minutes to let the seasoning penetrate the meat, and then pat dry with paper towels on both sides. Meanwhile, heat a heavy cast iron skillet over high heat until smoking. Drizzle the steak with olive oil and sear over high heat for 3 minutes without moving the steak. Things will get smoky. Be sure you open a window. After 3 minutes, flip the steak and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes on the opposite side until the center reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, which is how my dad likes his steak. But you can certainly add on another minute if you'd like it more medium. Remove the steak from the pan, tent it with foil, and allow the steak to rest for 5 minutes before you serve it, because you want to let the juices resettle in the meat so it doesn't just run everywhere. And that's it. It's a really simple dish, really simple preparation, but that's why it's important not to take your eyes off it for 1 second. I like to serve this with just a simple baked potato, nothing fussy, maybe with an ice cold beer on the side. I hope you enjoy this dish, and I hope all of the dads in your life have a wonderful Father's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon where the side work ends.